Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which a very limited issue was before Rajkot ITAT bench. The issue was that if the assessee is issued a notice on the allegation that the assessee has made some cash payments and the basis of that allegation does not relate to the assessment year for which the notice has been issued under section 148. So where the information does not relate to that particular year, whether in that case the assessment is valid under section 148. And the second issue was that whether the assessee can be burdened to prove a negative point that the assessee has not made the cash payment. These both the issues have been taken up by the Rajkot Tribunal in the case of Dream Infrastructure versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 128 ITR Tribunal, short note 60, and the date of the judgment is 4th December 2025. The present case relates to the assessment year 11-12. In the present case, the assessing officer received some information from the DCIT investigation, and the basis of that information was a survey on some other assessee J. In that survey, the revenue got some loose paper on which some amount was written which was alleged to be cash payment by the assessee to that person on whom the survey has been made. But that loose paper was related to the transactions which were related to the assessment year 13-14, but the case of the assessee was reopened for assessment year 11-12. The assessee raised the objection that the assessment proceeding should be dropped on the basis of reopening on incorrect facts, but the assessing officer not only continued with the assessment proceedings but made the addition for cash payment made by the assessee on the basis of that loose paper which were not even related to that particular assessment year. When the matter was before the CIT appeal also upheld the order of the assessing officer by alleging that the assessee has made some makeshift arrangement in his explanation. It was the contention of the CIT appeal that the assessee is not able to prove that the assessee has not made the cash payment to J. Hence, the addition is justified in the eyes of Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals. When the matter was before the tribunal was first of all of the very considered view that the assessment can be done only in the hands of right person and for the right assessment year, meaning thereby that the addition for the assessment year 11-12 cannot be made on the basis of the transactions which are not related to the assessment year 11-12 but which are related to some another assessment year which was in the present case was assessment year 13-14. The tribunal further said that in the present case the assessee has given the ledger account of the party J in which all the payments have been made by the assessee to J only through the banking channels. The tribunal said that the assessee cannot be burdened to prove a negative point that the assessee has not made the cash payment to some other party. The tribunal said that the reasons were not justified for reopening the assessment of the assessment year 11-12. So all the addition which was made by the assessing officer were quashed by the tribunal. The tribunal said that all other issues are infructuous because in the present case the very basis of reopening is based on the incorrect facts. Friends, there are a number of cases where the reopening is done in a very casual manner. The reopening is done for some years on the basis of information which is not even related to those assessment years. Sometimes the allegations are made that the transactions are made with party A, although the assessee has not made the transactions with party A and the transactions are with some other party. There are the cases where the amounts alleged are wrong. So in all these type of cases, these type of judgments help a lot because the reopening which is not based on the correct facts is bad in law, because it is presumed that when the facts are wrong, the assessing officer cannot make the reason to believe that the income has escaped assessment or the information to suggest that the income has escaped assessment. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Dream Infrastructure versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 128 ITR Tribunal, short note 60, and the date of the judgment is 4th December 2025. Thank you, friends.